How to measure and install a SecureView screen for Trend Awning Chain Winder window. Welcome to another Starline Security video. Before you pick up your measuring tape, note down the location of the window, the style of the screen you're measuring for, and the frame color. These details are mandatory when using our ordering portal system to create estimates or place orders. Note, Trend windows use 11mm window screens, not 9mm. Awning chain winder screens are installed internally. Measure the width from the edge of the fin to the opposite side. The width opening measurement is 1,165mm. We deduct 2mm for an ordering size of 1,163mm. Measure the drop from the bottom channel ledge to the top channel fin. This measurement is 374mm. For this window style, we deduct 4mm for a manufacturing size of 370mm. This deduction allows the screen to sit at the bottom ledge, and we'll still have plenty of space to install the security screws, so they won't affect the operation of the glass awning sash. Install the security screen. Place the screen in the bottom channel ledge and swing it across the top face. To fix off the screen, mark the fixings with 100mm from each corner and pre-drill the screen frame before installing using 14.5mm security screws. For this installation, we also install one screw in the middle at the top of the security screen frame only. Note, repeat the measurement on each awning window to find all manufacturer sizes, as they may vary. Don't forget to subscribe for more installation videos. Thanks for watching.